just out of curiosity, like how much, like if the normal rent, what was the normal rent for that property? And then what would be like the actual Airbnb amount that you could actually get, just so that the viewers kind of get an idea. And this is one of the reasons why I'm considering doing it as well too.
I actually have the file. So I was long-term, it was rented long-term, right? So long-term rental on the property, I was making $2,500 a month on long-term rental. When I put it on Airbnb, my very first month, which these are some of the mistakes I made. I followed what Airbnb was recommending, but my first month I made $5,277. So doubled what I was making. And those numbers are net numbers. So it was double, and that's what woke me up. That's what made me say, hey, there might be something here. So we tested out on another property, because that property, I'll admit, it's a very nice property, pool near the beach. I'm like, okay, maybe this is an anomaly. Maybe it's just because of the location. Maybe this is the type of stuff I need to have. So I tested it out on a duplex, not near the beach, no pool, and got the same results. And I'm like, and then that's it.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons I'm looking into getting into it. I mean, I've got 2 units very close to the beach right now. And I'm just like, let's try it out. I've got nothing to lose. If I try it out, I could always turn it into a long-term rental again if for whatever reason it didn't work. My dad also has a ranch that he uses as a secondary property. And I'm going to be talking to him about potentially using it whenever he wants to use it, but on the spare time, potentially turning that into an Airbnb.